Hi there, my name is Kasey, and this is an introduction to my ukulele 12-song challenge. I love to play the ukulele, and I would like to help you to learn as well. However, in order to play the songs in this ukulele challenge, you will need to know how to read tablature. If you're brand new to the ukulele, or you don't know how to read tablature, please watch my 4-lesson beginner ukulele series first. I'll post a link in the description. Now, if you're ready, play through these 12 songs, or jams as I like to call them. If you complete all 12, you will not only develop some amazing skills, but you will also receive a special surprise at the end. The special bonus video can already be accessed right now, but I trust that you will at least try to play through all 12 songs before claiming your reward. Thank you for playing this challenge. Hopefully it helps you to learn the ukulele while having a blast. I have to go jam on my ukulele now. Bye, dudes!